Hello guys, welcome back. So here we have another question on network theory from GATE EC 2018. So the ABCD matrix for a two-port network is defined by V1 I1 and ABCD V2 minus I2. So they're asking us to find the parameter B for the given two-port network and round it off to two decimal places. Again, these kind of questions are straightforward and we just know how to derive this ABCD from a given two-port network. Okay, so let us take this. So you needn't actually remember any formulas for this and all, because if you see, there are at least four, right? You have the admittance, impedance parameter, and then you have the H parameter, and you also have this ABCD parameter. So it is not possible to remember all of them. Although the impedance and admittance are straightforward, for others it is not easy. And here they have already given the matrix form. So if you just write it out, you will get V1 is equal to AV2 minus BI2, and your I1 is equal to CV2 minus DI2. So now if you want to find B, you take the equation where B is in. And when can I get B? I want this term to go to 0, right? So V2 is 0. If V2 is 0, V1 is equal to minus BI2. And B is nothing but minus V1 by I2. So your B is nothing but minus V1 by I2. And when V2 is equal to 0. So if you go back to the two-port network, how will you find it? So you connect some V1 here. So let's say this is V1 and your V2 should be 0. It means that this is short circuited. So now V2 is 0, right? So with this circuit, you find what is I2. So then you take the ratio of V1 by I2 and you invert it, minus sign. So that will be your B. Similarly for A and others, if you have to find, here A is nothing but, we want our I2 to be 0. So I2 equal to 0 and it is a ratio of V1 by V2. So V1 by V2 with I2 equal to 0. So for I2 equal to 0, what you have to do? You have to open circuit this. So once you open circuit this, there cannot be any current flowing here. Your I2 will be 0. So similarly for your C, what it is? It is I1 by V2 when I2 equal to 0. And similarly for your D, it is I1 by I2 and a minus sign when V2 is equal to 0. So this is how you need to find. So if your condition is V1 equal to 0 and I1 equal to 0, then you have to do the same thing on the input side. So you need to connect a voltage source or current source on the output side and you can open or short on the input side. Okay, so now let us find B. So we need to short this. So I'll copy this. So this is V1 and for convenience I can take this to be any voltage. So I'll take it to be 1 volt. So then my B equation will be nothing but minus 1 by I2 and V2 is anyway equal to 0. We have ensured that. Okay, so this is anyway 0 and in terms of I2, what is this voltage? I2 is flowing across 2 ohm. So this voltage will be minus 2 I2, right? And what will be this current? This current will be minus 2 I2 by 5 ohm. So then what will be my I1? My I1 will be nothing but 1 minus of minus 2 I2 by 2 ohms. So this is 1 plus 2 I2 by 2. So now can we write KCL at this node? So we have I1 coming in. So 1 plus 2 I2 by 2 plus I2 is also coming in. So plus I2 is equal to, this current is going out, minus 2 I2 by 5. So let us simplify this and find I2. So we have 1 by 2 plus I2 is equal to minus 2 I2 by 5. Let us take all I2 terms on one side. So we have minus 2 I2 by 5 minus 2 I2. So 1 by 2 is equal to 10, 12, minus 12 by 5 I2. So my I2 itself is nothing but minus 5 by 24. So now I want to get B from I2. B is nothing but minus 1 by I2. So this implies that B is equal to 24 by 5. So which is nothing but plus 4.8. And what will be the units here? So if you go back to the B equation, it is nothing but ratio of voltage to current. So it is volt by ampere, or you can also write it as ohms.